Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can add ChatGPT or you can associate ChatGPT with your WhatsApp. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to add a contact number or use a URL which is http colon forward slash www.whatgpt.ai forward slash. Anyhow, I will provide you all the information in the link below. So how you can add ChatGPT by utilizing the contact number. So here, first of all, you have to add the number, go to new contact, and in the name section you can write uh, chat GPT, and the phone number. Here in the phone number you can write plus 1650 460 3230. Add this number. Once you add this number, you have to refresh your contact list and wait for a while. After a while, you can search the name you give it to this number is Chat GPT. Here is the Chat GPT you can see. Click on it. So guys, once you are done with adding the ChatGPT number in your contact list, send a message hi. It will provide you the information. What it does means like welcome to WhatsApp ChatGPT. We bring ChatGPT and other AI services to your WhatsApp experience, integrating audio, image, and text. And then it says to you like we will keep your information. Anytime you want to delete, you have to write here like comma forward slash delete history comma and send this message. So ChatGPT automatically delete all your history. And before accept this message here, if you see, before I already accepted, and but you have to read all the privacy policy before accept it. Once you accept, click here, it will say thanks for joining, we will send you a notification. So once your request is approved, you start using ChatGPT option. So what it says like welcome to our AI powered WhatsApp chatbot. Here what you can do, you can chat with the bot, and you can send message in any language. It will reply you accordingly. The most interesting option is transcribe voice note. What it means, you can send a voice note and you can ask the bot to convert it into text, or if the voice note is very long, you can ask the chat bot to summarize it in a few lines. So you can send it to voice of anybody and ask the summary of that note. Also, you can send any YouTube link if the video is very long and you don't want to spend your valuable time on it. So you just send this link to the chatbot and it will give you the summary. Similarly, if you are searching for any image, write in this given format like inverted comma forward slash name of this image and inverted comma close, and send this message. It will find a good image for you. If you want to delete, also follow this format. And if you want to anything else, if you want to report a bug in this messaging services, so you can also do this. Let's see if I can show you. Yes, I sent this message to the bot and asked to give me the name of the best mango and give me the name where I can find it. So I asked him first, please transcribe this video. Oh, sorry, this audio. So it replied to me, what your note says. I would like to know the best mango name and where it exists. Then I press the button. Okay, give me the summary of this voice note. So it gave me what is the best type of mango and where can it be found. So it means rephrase my wording accordingly in a good way, good manner. Means whatever is in your mind, just say it. It will give you in a correct format, or it will give you the best detail, possible detail, I mean. Then I ask to give me the detail, the summary, the send to chat GPT, the last option. Then what it gave me, it says the best mango name is subject to another. So it give me the long detail where you can found where it exists. So I hope you like this video. Try, and if you like my video, please press the like option, subscribe, and bye bye.